Hundreds of thousands of companies around the world use environmental and socioeconomic data every day. A lot of that data is locked up in spreadsheets and difficult file formats, and many more could be leveraging environmental data if only it didn't require the expensive skills of data scientists. EarthOS is an easy-to-use web-based platform that allows you to analyze a world of data on the fly. We provide hundreds of global variables from leading sources including Copernicus, NOAA, and the IPCC, spanning centuries, allowing you to quickly build models that suit your needs, from simple weather monitoring to advanced tracking of climate risk. When you come into the system, you have a globe view, and below it is a time slider. You can pan and zoom through space and time. But to get some work done, it all starts with creating and opening a project. A project consists of as many layers as you'd like. A layer can either contain geometry data, similar to in common GIS software, or a data layer, where you provide a formula that queries data. The simplest formulas can reference single variables. Once you've selected a variable and added it to your formula, you can apply a color scale and range that suits your needs, and the globe should update with the data that's available for the selected time. Here, we're looking at CAM's hydrogen cyanide data, which shows noxious plumes in a few places around the world. Sometimes it can be useful to offset the time and space from the point you're looking at. For instance, you might want to compare the air temperature today to the air temperature a day into the future to see if it'll get warmer or colder. For that, we'll use a relative offset bracket and specify the desired offset. The real power of the system becomes visible when we start to do much more complicated things, such as modeling the conditions for a particular type of risk. For example, a number of environmental conditions are needed for the formation of hoarfrost, which is associated with greater risk of avalanches. Here we compare those conditions over a weather forecast to see which regions might be at greater risk. Another example would be wet bulb temperature, which shows what the air temperature would be if humidity were 100%. This can be useful for evaluating increased risk of heart failure or stroke due to extreme heat. We support many other features, and more are being added all the time. At Ecosophy, our goal is to massively reduce the complexity of accessing, visualizing, and acting upon the world's information to help build a sustainable future. Our clients and partners span a range of sectors from Earth observation to renewable energy to disaster management to asset tracking. These all benefit from a flexible system that allows for rapid experimentation and exploration, and so can you. For more information, contact us at info@ecosophy.is or go to earthos.ai to get started today.